megalayapost.news.
Dr. DRL Nonglan, Ubadeiru, President Kekasi Auto Society, Ulong Badei Kapor Bodang dan Hapdeng Jingsitom Batsa Sumar Hospital, Ulasha Terwahau Konrad Sangma, Banlong Kurtong MP Naka Party NPP Hakanik Election Siteng Samoy, Habakran Skilat Patai Kubor, Mentaga Singiu Dr. DRL Nonglan, Hadian Bola Pedangnya Kejing Terwa ke Party, Batpen Benapai Bak Sendon Mentaga Singi, Ulong Bahakalai Potrik Ubanaya Yong Ulayo Koi ke phone call no number bom itu, Berhadian Kejing Ekran Ulasya Penban Badei, Konrad Kisangma, Menteri Rengbak Kejela, Hagajung ekran Konrad ulaong bawkwa bania kendu yu hakabau layatu bawdang dan ha hospital madumla bania kendu bot ula persang manwa jingtip ke gejing temu jong gejing kendu banakalyang Konrad ulaong bangikwa bapinlong kertong ke parti NPP hakani ke election MP Siteng Samoy Banwan ulaong ru bakum Presiden Kekasi Auto Society mentala kumbak khatsau senam ulay khun ye kaktian kasi banlong kaktian sorkar batkum juru ban penrung haka kharnet bapra kariti sunshar jongkari batkum juru ubrio ubalatrai kum unong hikai banna kabenta ka imlang kasalang pedang ikni jing terwa bat ain da kasiti hendin kamian
was really surprising because it was only on 30th of April when I was in hospital because of one unfortunate incident. I fell on the staircase in my own compound, and then I had to get myself admitted in the hospital. And on 30th afternoon, I got a call from an unknown number saying that this is Konrad Sangma. It was a surprise to me. I just said, "Good afternoon, sir," and immediately he informed me that he wanted to meet me. But I said, I'm in hospital now, so I cannot meet him. And then I just told him to give a hint for the purpose of the meeting. And he said, we actually wanted you to be a candidate from the NPP ticket. So he handed over the phone to Pak Preston, Deputy Chief Minister, and we had a bit longer conversation with him. I accepted the invitation and I told them to come to my house for a detailed discussion. And on the 1st of this month at 7 or 8 p.m., a team, very strong and well-organized team, came to my house, and I told them that immediately I will not be able to take my decision. It will take me at least a few days to analyze and to evaluate, assess the political situation in the state, and also my connection with the people, since I have not had in my mind that I will contest this forthcoming MP election. So in 4 or 5 days, I had to, meet my relatives, consult my friends, seek their advice, their opinion, and after careful consideration, I decided to accept the request. So it was last night only that I accepted the request, and I'm happy that today I've been inducted into the party, and that the party has declared my name as the official candidate of the party for this forthcoming MP by-election. You see, I have been president of Khasi Auto Society for the last 14 years, and I've been fighting for constitutional recognition of Khasi language in the state as well as in the center. So this is not true that I've been organizing campaigns for making Khasi an official language of the state. That has been the aspiration of the people long time back. For many decades, we have been fighting for making Khasi not just as an associate official language, but a full-fledged official language of the state. And this is not an endpoint. You see, we have to take this issue to the center and make Khasi find a place in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution in near future.
But they gave you the tickets because it's because of Khasi language recognition you are there in the forefront.
Maybe that is only one factor. But my career as a teacher, a literary activist, and also a social worker, maybe they consider all those factors and then they come to a conclusion that maybe I will be the fit. I'll be one who is fit for this assignment, for this job. This is my personal decision. See, Khasi Author Society is a society which is inclusive. Our members include those across party lines. So Khasi Author Society is a society which works for the growth and development of Khasi language and literature. But this is my personal decision.
Do you remain as the president of Khasi Author Society or you have come out of that?
I have not considered because I'll have to abide according to the constitution of the society.
MeghalayaPost.news